Hey Warriors, happy Wednesday. We're gonna warm up for 3 minutes. We're gonna stretch for 3 minutes. We're gonna do the damn thing. Let's get started. After we're warmed up today, we're gonna move on to a clean complex. We're gonna go over 5 sets and we're gonna build each complex. So let's talk about the complex. With a barbell today, the complex will begin with a power clean from the ground. Then we will move into 2 front squats. Then we will do 1 above the knee hang squat clean. And then 1 jerk. It's a long time to be under tension and have the bar in our hands. So I would start at a moderate weight of which you're very confident. This might be somewhere around like 55 to 60% of your clean and jerk. Ideally, we're resting around 1 to 2 minutes in between each set. Maybe at the very peak at 2:30 to 3 minutes at the late rounds. Work on movement efficiency, in other words, and proficiency. In other words, maintaining great execution of movements, posture, and position while under fatigue, while under a strenuous load. So we know the weight's gonna be heavy, we're gonna get tired as we go, we're gonna be building weight as well. So really fight to maintain perfect position and resiliency throughout the entire movement. Don't get sloppy, don't get lazy. Okay, let's take one more look at the complex in full before we talk about the Metcon. Beautiful. Let's get to the fast stuff. Metcon today is 2 times through. We're gonna begin with the double unders, our jump rope in our hands, 50 double unders or 100 single unders. We're going for 50 reps here for the doubles. After those 50 double unders, we're gonna drop our rope, immediately go into 30 air squats. Making sure we're staying chest upright. We're not lazy, we're not relaxing the core or the low back, and we're breaking parallel on each rep. Finally, we'll move into 20 hollow rocks. Putting ourselves in a boat pose if you're a yoga fan, and rocking back and forth. After the hollow rocks, we're back to the start and repeating one more time through 50 double unders, 30 squats, 20 hollow rocks. Modification of this, again, could be double unders to single unders. If so, we're gonna double the reps. Air squats, we could use a box to maintain position and height so that you tap the top of the box. You could also put a plate down with a wall ball on top. That makes a great target, a little more forgiving on your bottom. Finally, on the hollow rocks, the modification here would be instead of hands overhead, you could bring your hands in front of you to rock, and you can even bend your knees a little bit and rock from that position. Have a great workout. Thanks for watching the video today. See you guys tomorrow.